Hello and welcome back to One Day to Get 5 May for AP Precalculus. This is episode 18, and today we're going to be doing another problem from Unit 2 involving logarithmic expressions. So let's just get into it. Or actually first, before we get into it, just go ahead and pause the video and give the problem a try, and then I will check back. Alright, so assuming you've tried the problem, let's go through it. Alright, so we're given, I think I need to increase that thickness. We're given that b is equal to log 30. Okay, so we just write log, but notice it's implied this is a log base 10, right? Even though it's not written. So whenever you see log, assume log base 10, unless otherwise stated, right? We want to know what b minus 1 squared is. Now, what we can actually do is just plug in our value for b. So we get, I'm going to write this log base 10 of 30. I'm going to write the argument in parentheses just so that there's no confusion about where that minus 1 is, right? But now we can do some manipulation, because if you notice, we can't just subtract 30 minus 1. Let me show you something incorrect. If you saw, oh hey, I have log base 10 of 30, and it's subtracting 1 or squaring it. I can just take that and simplify it. Let me say this is the wrong way to do it. And then you say, hey, 30 minus 1, that's 29. So log base 10 of 29 squared. And that would be a, right? No. This does not work. Because this log, we want to know, we're saying this is our b, and then we're subtracting 1 and squaring it. That minus 1 is not on the inside of that argument for the logarithm, okay? Anyways, there we go. Okay, so this minus 1, we want to get this all into one logarithm. Because if you notice our answer choices, we don't have a minus 1 here, right? For this one we do, but there's no reason why we should assume that when we're squaring it, we're going to have a 2 out in front. We shouldn't just assume that. So what we want to do really is we want to simplify this, and the way we're going to do that is we're going to identify that 1 is equal to log base 10 of 10. Right? Because when you take the log base, whatever, of that same thing, it's just going to be 1, right? So we can rewrite this as log base 10 of 30 minus log base 10 of 10. That's all squared. And then notice, let me remind you of an logarithm property. Log a minus log b is equal to log of a over b. So this 30 minus that 10, we can condense that into one logarithm, so log base 10, by taking 30 and dividing it by 10 and squaring it. So 30 over 10, that's going to get rid of that 0 there and just turn into a 3. So that's going to be log base 10, looks like a 20. Log base 10 of 3 squared. And if you notice answer choice C, that's equivalent, but they're not writing with the 10. I was just writing with the 10, trying to emphasize that this is base 10 and not some other base. So we have log of 3 squared. That is our final answer. If you found the video helpful, please consider subscribing, and have a good rest of your day.